Time now for an in-depth look at the market news this afternoon, and for that I'm joined on the line by Dr. Kim Sei-wan, professor of economics at Ewha Womans University. Professor Kim, good afternoon. Thanks for coming on today.
Good afternoon, Devin.
Well, when the U.S. markets reopened on Tuesday, they started out with a big decline. The Dow paired those losses but was still down. Gains, though, on the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. What's the story in the global markets?
On Tuesday, two of the three major U.S. stock indexes closed higher after the market staged a late-day rally, while oil prices fell on investor concerns that slowing economic growth could limit energy consumption. The S&P 500 rose 0.2% and Dow Jones average lost 0.4%. The tech-focused Nasdaq Composite Index shed earlier losses to gain 1.7%. In the past, U.S. stocks tend to perform well in July, but in this year, investors say they are bracing for more pain ahead. Traders are focused on a stubborn inflation that has forced central banks around the world to aggressively tighten monetary policy. Economic data show declines from factory output to retail spending. It exacerbated concerns that U.S. economy could tumble into a recession. All Asian markets retreated today. Hong Kong's Hang Seng and Shanghai Index dropped 1.8% and 1.4% respectively as of 3 p.m. in Seoul time. Japan's Nikkei 225 also lost 1.2% today.
Well, Korean stocks today quite a bit lower. The KOSPI started out lower, then it went up throughout the day, but in the end, about where it started out. Carmakers continue to go down on concerns about recessions. Tech had a few bright spots today. Of course, the exchange rate, the big story today, touching a 13-year high. Tell us about the domestic market.
Today, domestic markets have retreated after yesterday's big rise. The KOSPI declined below 2,300 level, which is believed as a baseline of domestic market. Equity markets are still dominated by concerns on recession and COVID infection rises. More and more domestic investors expect that Bank of Korea will raise its base rate in July at least by 0.5% due to continuing high inflation. And it is inevitable to generate a certain level of economic downturn. The benchmark KOSPI dropped 2.1%, and KOSDAQ also dropped 0.8% today. In KOSPI market, foreign and domestic institutional investors net sold 934 billion won, which is larger than the average daily net sale. Most of the large cap stocks dropped today as the whole market shrinks. Samsung Electronics dropped 1.4%, and Hyundai Motor also dropped 2.8%. But the second largest cap, LG Energy Solution, gained 2.5% today. Naver, Celltrion, and Kakao also advanced today.
Well, now oil prices, Professor, they've been so high for a while, but have now come down for the first time in a couple of months to below $100 a barrel. Ironically, concerns about a global economic slowdown whose causes would be related to high oil prices. Citibank Group in the U.S. sees Brent crude by the end of the year coming down to $65 a barrel. What do you see happening in the oil market?
As we saw from previous report, Dubai crude, the Korean oil benchmark, slid 6.6% to $100.73 a barrel today. That is down from more than $120 a barrel a month ago. West Texas Intermediate, the U.S. standard, also fell more than 8% to $99.50. It's first time settling below $100 since May. Both commodities recorded their largest single-day decline since March. Demand for fuel typically falls alongside declines in economic growth as consumers travel and purchase less. Slowing demand and recession fears help bring the benchmark oil prices near $100 a barrel, which means continuing a rapid turnaround from soaring levels in recent months. However, since the war in Ukraine continues, there are still lots of uncertainties ahead in international oil market. The trend of oil market price would be clearly seen in late summer as global economic trend becomes clear.
Well, finally, Professor, Korea's foreign exchange reserves were down last month for a fourth month in a row, declining by around $9.5 billion. The stronger dollar making assets in other currencies lose value. This is the biggest one-month decline, though, since the 2008 financial crisis. What does it mean to have FX reserves going down like this?
Korea's foreign reserves fell by the largest amount in more than 13 years in June as foreign exchange authorities unloaded the U.S. dollar to help stabilize one's sharp weakness. It was the fourth straight month on month fall. Korean government's foreign reserve had stood at $438 billion as of the end of June, which is ninth largest in the world. That was down $9.4 billion from previous month. The June fall marked the largest since a $11.8 billion a month decline in November 2008 when Korea was in the middle of global financial crisis. The decline in foreign reserve came as foreign exchange authorities took steps to defend Korean won's value by unloading dollar holdings. As U.S. Fed raises its key interest rate faster, there is a high possibility that Korean government's foreign reserve drops further by the end of this year.
We'll have to keep an eye on that with your help, Professor. Thank you, as always, for coming on this afternoon. We really appreciate it.
Thank you very much, Devin.